Yvetta here with Yvetta Home, and it is December 26th, the day after Christmas, and I'm smiling, but I'm really crying on the inside. So I woke up this morning to just go about my day, and I went to go give Bella some snacks and noticed that all of my food is soft that's in the freezer. There is no ice here. No ice, all water. All of my Texas toast from Sam's I bought the other day, soft. All of my ice cream, all of everything is soft. All right, so don't cry about it. What we gotta do, we're gonna pick up ourselves, dust ourselves off, figure out what we can save. I'm assuming based on how cool the refrigerator is, it probably went out yesterday sometime and I really just didn't notice it. Plus I had family and friends over, so I was really just enjoying the moment. But now, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna look for a refrigerator because it's Sunday, it's December 26th, and what better way to not get yourself upset is to just start looking for a new refrigerator. So, I'm gonna bring you back for part 2 when we find a refrigerator and we get it delivered. So, until next time, you guys, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hi everyone, it's Yvetta here with Yvetta Home. And as we talked a day or so ago about the refrigerator saga, so it continues, right? But the good thing about it is I was able to validate that I have an extended warranty and they should be out today to repair. I think it may be the compressor that's gone out in the air conditioning, in the refrigerator. Remember the refrigerator is only about 3.5 years old or so, maybe 4 years old. So let's take a look at how dirty it is on the inside and what's there. So I've already cleaned out the entire unit. So as you can see, everything is clean. So I think what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and organize my refrigerator now. So let's start organizing it. We're gonna clean it out first. The repair guy should be here in a little bit. And then from there, we'll organize it. Alrighty, talk to you soon. Let's start cleaning out the refrigerator. Let's start cleaning out these shelves. So we're gonna speed this up a little bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just using a little bit of dishwashing liquid and some of this Lysol cleaner. Just for extra disinfectant wipe or disinfecting. Well, I just realized there's still some paper on some of the inner components, or like the side pieces of the refrigerator. That's hilarious to me. Alrighty guys, we have a clean refrigerator. Looks almost brand new actually. So now we just need to decide how we're gonna organize it. Remember, the refrigerator went out completely. December 26th is when I noticed it. Today is December 28th. I'm getting it repaired today. And then from there, we're going to go to Container Store, Home Goods, and we're just gonna organize the refrigerator and the grocery store, and we're gonna fill it back up. Alrighty, talk to you guys soon. Okay everybody, so it's the next day. I've gotten the refrigerator fixed. I've went to the grocery store. I've done just a little bit of grocery shopping. And now is the big reveal of the actual organization. Keep in mind, I didn't do a lot of grocery shopping. I kept it very minimum to the things that I needed for the week. That way, I don't over clutter the freezer like before. All right, let's look at it. Alrighty, so here's an overview of the refrigerator. Excuse the beeping. I have my oranges, my strawberries, my blueberries, and my lemons in there. I have all of the meat for the week that I plan on cooking. Chicken and grass-fed beef, a little chicken andouille sausage, some cheese, and some tortillas. In the freezer, I only have French fries and some frozen vegetables. Alrighty, over here, I have some creamer, apple juice, and some oat milk, and then some lemon lime. Right here, I have the bagels, I have the eggs, I have the yogurt, I have all the butter, cheese, and sour cream, and that's the overview. So even though I was devastated when the refrigerator went out, I was able to declutter and organize the entire refrigerator. Now, let's hope it stays this way, but we'll see. Alrighty guys, until next time, please like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.